Racing just started. We have Minsan. First to show quickness at the start. City of Dreams is down on the inside. Zaki's friend Wish Your Lady comes next. School Town. And on the outside comes Gintong Biyaya, Sibayan's Angel, Real Haven, Blue Steel, Barkadahan, Euromax second last, while Northern Arrow is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have entry number 1. This one is City of Dreams, maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Right behind in second is Minsan. Saki's friend is down in third. Wish Your Lady alongside now is School Town, Gintong Biyaya, Sibayan's Angel, Real Haven, Blue Steel, Barkadahan, Euromax, while Northern Arrow still racing in 12. Back to the leader. Now we have 2 entries. Friday round for the leader. Moving up now on the outside is Minsan. City of Dreams is running by the rail. Then followed over by Saki's friend. School Town, Gintong Biyaya now coming closer. Moving up now on the outside. Real Haven, Wish Your Lady. Down on the inside now is Sibayan's Angel, Barkadahan, Blue Steel, Euromax. Then Northern Arrow still at the tail. Last day swing for home. We have Minsan by our head. Running by the rail comes City of Dreams with about 100 meters of the race. We have Minsan by about 2 lengths, followed by City of Dreams, and finally it's Minsan. City of Dreams, School Town, Saki's friend, then comes Real Haven, Gintong Biyaya for your Super 6.